Keeping your personal living space clean and disinfected is always the best policy, but now it's even more important in order to help keep you, your fellow students, and anyone entering your residence healthy and virus-free. Cleaning means the removal of visible soil, debris, microorganisms, and organic matter. Cleaning will not eliminate germs, but it will reduce their numbers by removing contaminated matter. Cleaning includes picking up any loose debris from the floor, sweeping the floors and emptying any accumulated soil into the garbage receptacle, emptying trash cans, replacing the trash liners, restocking toilet paper if necessary, and mopping the floors. When cleaning surfaces, choose an appropriate product for the surface. Carefully read the product label and adhere to the suggested PPE. Spray the cleaning solution until the surface is wet. If applicable, let the solution stand for the product's recommended contact or dwell time. Then, wipe down the treated surfaces, removing any contaminated matter. Using a preferred glass cleaner, spray mirrors, windows, or other glass. If available, wipe with a microfiber cloth. Paper towels can be used as an alternative to a microfiber cloth. Now your living space is clean, but it's not disinfected. Disinfecting means killing microorganisms. This means using a disinfectant with a COVID-19 kill claim. Before using, carefully read all product labels and adhere to the suggested PPE. For heavily soiled surfaces, pre-clean the surface before disinfecting. Spray the disinfectant 4 to 6 inches from the surface until it's wet. Let the solution stand for the recommended contact or dwell time. Then, wipe any remaining wet spots. No scrubbing is required. How frequently you clean and disinfect is up to you, but remember that high touch points like tables, doorknobs, light switches, handles, desks, toilets, faucets, sinks, and electronics should be disinfected frequently.